Alright, hi angels, welcome back. Once you go black, you never go back. That's what they say, and that is true. Because never want to go back to blonde bitch, I will have to burn a whole new set of hair all over again. But hi, I'm back. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I did my black hair and then how I did this beautiful old Hollywood soft glamour. If you guys want to watch this whole video, and I hope you do, grab a Red Bull, grab a pipe or a blunt, smoke up, and come and get ready to this beautiful stunning bitch like me, and come and get ready with me together and we can kiki. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching if you want to see me transform into this. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, I think I'm just gonna start by saying from now on, good morning angels, just because like I only film during daytime just because I like to like include like natural lighting and the lighting to my makeup routine so I can like see if I look good when I go out, you know what I'm saying? Like, by the way, this bitch still hasn't left for the past 3 days, but she be getting smaller. She was way bigger. Now she like, I can barely feel her. So today I'm going to do a full face transformation once again, but it's time, I know, sadly, but I'm kind of happy for it. It's time to officially say, ready? Drum roll. It's time to officially say bye to the blonde. But as of now, I want to go back to black and be an original bad. So I go ahead and I bought my little thingies, but my dumb ass threw out the box with the gloves in it.
Let's go back.
Go back. Now you get like the full salon experience at your crib. This is not my first time, by the way, dyeing my hair. I used to dye my blonde hair alone, even like all the way when it was like platinum. I'm just gonna do this real quick and just give them a good mix. This is a black color, so I don't have to do roots. Everything will get in there. My god, it smells so disgusting. Oh! Oh my god, wait. First of all, my hair looks so weird. So I'm ready to play with some makeup, get my skin snatched. And by the way, look at my hair. This one was stained, even my fingers, and it looks really disgusting. But I can pretend I was a hardworking man at work. Today I'm gonna start off with priming my skin, and I did a review a couple of days ago on 3 products. One of them was the Kate Somerville Skin Health event, the one that kind of looked like STD. And STD or not STD, this thing really works on my skin. I've been using it day and night and really gives me like some nice results. Okay, so here's another thing that I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with a Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturize for Eyes, which I've also did a review on this and it's also really great. And here's a little quick tip about y'all if you didn't know. So eye cream is not only for your eyes, it's just called eye cream. You can actually put eye cream on the rest of your face, and ice cream has more moisture for some reason than other face products. And here's another quick tip. So your lips are the same, they're made out of the same skin as your face is. So if you're gonna wear a liquid matte lip, if you put a little eye cream on your lip and you massage it into it, and then you just get a nice lip balm and go over it, your lips will come back to like its natural stage. So because you know, like if you wear liquid lips, it tends to dry up your lips. If you put lip balm on your lips after you put some eye cream on it, now I'm gonna moisturize them with some Burt's Bees lip balm just to bring it back to its natural stage. And now that my face is all nice and moisturized and it feels so good and snatched, my skin says, put some foundation on me, bitch. Okay, so for today's look, because I have black hair, and I feel like always black hair for me reminds me of like old glamour. So today's look, it's gonna be most likely like an old Hollywood glamour. So it's gonna be like a really neutral eye, a light contour, but don't worry, the contour was still able to cut those old a light contour and a nice red goldy lip. Now I'm just gonna grab in my good and Christian Dior Air Fresh Foundation in shade 303. Give it a nice. I'm gonna go ahead and. Today I've been thinking about it and I've decided to do it. Today I'm not gonna use any. Today I'm not gonna use any cream contour. I have decided that I'm gonna contour with powder for today, just for a change. Okay, now that the foundation looks all nice and smooth, ooh, look at this skin. Girl, I'm living. I'm cooked and gagged. Okay, so last time I tried a combination of setting my face with 2 different powders, and it turned out that I really, really liked it, because turns out this setting powder, the coconut setting powder by Seattle, London, Everyday Vecchi, it actually turns out to be really good. So once again, I'm just going to grab this powder, I'm going to set underneath my eyes, my T-zone, and my chin, and it smells like sunscreen. You know, like how cute sunscreen smells like? That's how it smells like, and it smells so good. It makes me want to miss the sun. It makes me miss the summer. Okay, and a little bit on the chin, and I'm just gonna lightly set the nose like this. Now I'm gonna grab my favorite powder of all the time, the Air Spun. I'm gonna come over here and finish setting this rest of cute face. Okay, now that I am done setting my face, I'm gonna go, you know, and pop some brows off camera. Alright, now that I got eyebrows on and I'm set to perfection, I'm gonna come and contour this face and give it back some color. Honey, it's been more late on than I've been lately because this is dry. Okay, so now I'm gonna come. Okay, so now I'm gonna come and blush myself. Back then, they really did love blush. I feel like I should have been more back in the day. So I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna grab an angle contour brush. So I can go over here. So I'm gonna grab from the apple of my cheeks and work it backwards. And I'm gonna come and lightly first lay it on top of my cheeks and then drag it back to my contour. And do you see like the little enhanced contour you added to it? Pop! Like this pussy. Okay, now that I am done with this, it's time to move on with eyes. Okay, so for eyes, like I said, I want to keep it really natural and glam. So I'm just going to grab this Milk Makeup Little Balm. That's for eyes, lips, and cheeks. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to come and just give my eyelids a natural look. I'm here to show you how to transform into a beautiful girl with a beat face real quick. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab by the Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Alyssa Edwards palettes. I'm going to come in with my finger once again and grab the color Inspire, which is like this goldy effect. And I'm just going to come and lay it all on there. With my finger. Ooh, do you see it? It's more goldy. I'm just gonna tap it in one more time. Just gonna go over it. There we go. Do you see the difference? It just really gave me the like natural soft glam. It's time for mascara. I'm just gonna go in with a Great Lash by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna give my lashes a little bit of color back. Look how pretty this eye is. Oh. My God, that left me speechless. You got me speechless. Anyway, so now that I'm living in mean glam and black hair, by the way. Anyway, now it's time for our final touch, and that is to add a little bit of a red lip with a gold undertone in it. I'm gonna get my red Fenty lipstick, and I'm just gonna go over it. This is how I achieve this look. Now let me go fix my hair and pop into an outfit, and I'll be right back to do the final reveal with you all. Okay, and this is the final look. I am good and gagged. I miss my black hair so much. But this is a transformation into like a really natural, old Hollywood glamour look. This is literally the bare makeup that I've ever worn. This is literally, I don't consider this a full face. I consider this as I wake up and I go out, because I'm literally color corrected foundation and a little bit of contour, and then just like the rest are just like extras. But I hope you guys enjoy this transformation, and I hope you guys like my new black hair because I love it. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy and it helps you learn how to pick up a brush and just be a bad bitch and just start adding things to your face. That's all it takes. It just takes a little balls, a brush, and a little bit of blush. That's all it takes. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join the family and become bigger bad bitch that you are. And I will guys see you in the next one, and I love you all so much, and thank you so much for watching the past couple of weeks, and I can't wait to grow with you all. Bye.